Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here, and I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this session, recently we are creating some option scanner based on the ATM strike price. So that I am going to discuss in this video. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And the scanner where I built it based on the future opening price. So for example, what should be this today's open price on that particular future contract, that nearest ATM strike price. For an example, today ONGC, which is 249.5, is the open price. Let me check ONGC future price. Okay, not a spot. So today's opening price of that spot should be 249.5. So what should be the nearest strike? Because if I'm just taken out from the previous day closing, so previous closing is somewhere 47.8 and it is started by 49, some gap up, while the gap of the opening price, the previous day closing ATM strike price, maybe it is jumped. All the options where it is going to be increased, but we are taking out from that opening point whether the stock is possibly to move higher or lower. So from the opening price, not from the previous closing price. So why this logic I just applied here? Sometimes here it's a gap up. If I'm taking out this closing price, and it would be a gap up by the opening, but after that it started falling. But if I'm tracking from that particular point whether it is going to be higher or lower from the opening point, so that will help us to find an intraday logic. So that is why I used that instead of the previous closing. I'll be using opening, so where you can exactly identify what should be the logic which I used. Okay, so after open, and we to fetch the strike price nearest to the ATM. Okay, based on the open price, and then we have to filter out, or the scanners which help you to find out. We have to track the change percentage volume of that particular option, and contract where it is traded. So this is what the logic which we are used it, but it is a scanner which is not going to provide you any buy sell tips or any buy sell signals. Okay, it is purely for informational and educational purpose, and I'm just created this for tracking what is happening in the overall market. Okay, so this where it is happening here on the future open price, and finding the nearest strike price, it's showing you 249, and the CE is currently 21.4, and the change percentage, if I just start it by ascending or descending, you will be getting that. Okay, so ONGC, which is almost volume, CE volume, and how many contract which is traded, but it is a high lot size deep in the money, so it may be showing some higher value. Okay, but I just focused on this two stocks, ONGC and OIL and BEL. So that was happening later, and it is in huge volume. Number of contracts is traded as high 420 strike price. I will show you what is happening here. And some more stocks I see in MCX that I am tracking. One more thing, four stocks I was just tracking: ONGC, OIL, and MCX and Petronet. So these are all the four I am just tracking for today. Okay, so what is happening on that, why I'm tracking this particular strike price, why I'm tracking this also, I'll be explaining in this video. Don't skip it. Okay, so in this case, today is the new contract where the new February started. Yesterday January contract has expired. So maybe the premium is ATM options also having higher the premium. So it is in the morning, it was a top one. So let me check the ONGC, what the strike price which I have tracking. That is around 260. So but here it is 249, but I just tracking 260 in around 950, 930, that was jumped over almost 9, but I am just tracking at 930 only at this point 9, and it went to almost 12. Again it came down to the same price it went. So it is doesn't provide you the any signals, but what is happening on the particular option contract, whether volume high and price increasing, so that we can easily identify what is happening on the particular strike price. That is what the logic which I have used here. So why I am particularly this for? Okay, just this is the thing, and you can also filter out what should be the volume. And if I'm just tracking with the change percentage along with the volume and number of contract, I can easily find out one or two. So in the morning 9:30, around 9:28 and 9:30, I was just checking. So where you can see I was recorded in the live. So OIL, ONGC, MCX, and Axis Bank is normally having a good volume, so I didn't consider. And then Petronet, I'm just considering. This four I just consider, and even with Gale also be there. Some of the stocks will be there, and you can look at this. Okay, and OIL in the around in the 9:30, it has almost 900 contract. This one is traded 14 lakhs. Sorry, 1,41,063 MCX, and Axis Bank 1,300 quantity, but it doesn't sense because some of the major banks like SBI, Infosys, and HDFC always having the good option volume. Okay, and Petronet. These are all the list of stocks, but I'm just tracking purpose, not to OIL 249, but nearest 9:30. I'm just checking out what should be the nearest strike price. I will show you OIL. At 9:30, it is trading around, sorry, ONGC. Yeah, it is opening somewhere around 455, but in this point, it is a 485. So in this case, OIL, right? Confusing OIL, ONGC, 450. I'm just talking about ONGC 249, but I was tracking the strike price 260. Why I'm just making it 260? When I see around 9:30, the price of that particular stock 260. So at that time, what should be the ATM? I'm just tracking. From that, almost 9, and it went up to 12.9, and again it came down and it went higher. It doesn't provide any buy sell signals, but it is keep on giving you some opportunities in this, and it was moving well and good. So the second one, as per 920 OIL. Okay, the first one is OIL, second one is ONGC. OIL, which I have tracked here almost 9:30, 20, and it went to 24, 25, and 26, up and down. So, and finally, I just find it out one more thing, like MCX. The MCX, I'm just around 9:30, I was tracking around 110. It initially goes down, and again it went up to 130, again come. So, but finally it is closed some slightly higher compared to the price, because it is, you look at this, but in this strike price 2490, but I was taken 2540 at the time. But if you have because of the higher premium, today is the beginning of the day. So Petronet, and final one is a Petronet, that is also from after 9:30 it moves. Maybe something is happening by 9:15. And put side, I was tracking some stocks by this scanner by 9:30. But overall market is positive, so why should we look for a put side? But it is working good. Some of the stocks like Asian Paint, Tata Consumer Product. So that is what Tata Consume in a put side, somewhere around 1,200. Asian Paint, that is working very good and well. So these are all the things which I have find it out with this particular tool. Maybe it is helping to find out some real-time scanners. Let me check and how it is going to work in a back testing. I mean, it is not going to give you back test, but forward test we can do it. And let me update some webinar on this. Interested people, just ping me on my WhatsApp. Maybe Monday or Tuesday we'll plan a live webinar. So we will see the possibilities how we can effectively use this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. You can also use these start buttons here to find it real time, either put or call side, whatever, according to the market move. So you can filter out this, and you will be able to find it out good opportunities on the filter. The scanner will filter some options. Then you can use your strategy or your indicators, whatever you can use it for your real trading. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or at all, just comment on the comment box. Thank you.